Hi there, students. Alma mater, or alma mater, I've also heard as well. Okay, so this is the school or the college or the university where you studied. Yeah? So, from time to time, one gets invited to an annual reunion at your alma mater, or every 10 years or every 25 years or something like that. Yeah, maybe you could say your alma mater is always asking for donations to this fund or that fund or something like that. His alma mater was Christ Church College, Cambridge. Yeah, his alma mater was Eton College. So let's see. I think the alma mater of the current UK Prime Minister Rishi Sunak is Winchester College, yeah. And then where did he go to university? I'm pretty sure he went to Oxford, but I can't remember which was his alma mater. So the alma mater, this is literally the place where you went to university, the place where you graduated, a class reunion at your alma mater. Yeah. Let's see. This, I think, is probably a fairly formal phrase. I think, as a Brit, I think it's pretty unusual to use this. I would probably just say something like, "I went to university at," I went to school at such and such and such a place." In the US, they also use this phrase, the alma mater, to talk about the school or the college song. Yeah. I don't believe any of my alma maters had a college song or a college hymn or something like that. But the school song. So, hey, Harvard boys, sing your alma mater. Yeah, the anthem of the institution. Let's see. In the plural, this could be Alma, Almae Marte, yeah, Almae Marte, Martres, Almae Martres. So yeah, I guess I could say my Almae Martres are Radley and Cambridge, yeah. Okay, so let's see. Origin. Well, this comes from Latin. It literally means the mother that nourishes us, the mother that gave us food. Yeah, but this actually comes from the motto of Bologna, of the Bologna University, the University of Bologna. Yeah, and the motto is Alma Mater Studiorum, nurturing mother of studies. And this is to celebrate Bologna University because it's Europe's oldest continuously operating university, and has been going on for almost 1,000 years. Does it get to 1,000 years yet? No. Let's see. It was founded in 1088, so we've got about another 60 years to go for Bologna to be 1,000 years old. Okay, so your alma mater, the school or the university that you went to, yeah. So yeah, what was your alma mater? Yeah, a reunion at my alma mater. I think you can also probably use this word alma mater as an honorific title for a mother goddess, for some sort of Gaia, particularly for Ceres, the Roman goddess of agriculture. Yeah. And I think even you could use, they in the Catholics later used this alma mater for a title for Mary, the mother of Jesus. But your alma mater, the school or the college or the university that you went to. So anyway, formality, formality, formality. I think I'm going to give it a 6, 6.5 in formality. I wouldn't use it informally. Use it in a semi-formal conversation, semi-formal or formal writing. And informally, the school I went to, the university I went to was, yeah? And just explain it like that. So, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Alma Mater.